Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zinni. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. In this video, I'm sharing how to make cake smash decorations at home. All the DIYs I'm going to share in this video are not only super simple to make, but also very affordable. So if you're planning to shoot your baby's cake smash photo shoot at home or just a pastel theme birthday party, then grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. Before that, if you haven't watched Reva's cake smash photo shoot, then please click on the cards or find the link in the description box down below. It's a sweet little video, so go ahead and leave some love for Reva. Our first DIY is giant tissue paper flowers. For this DIY, you will need 5 to 6 sheets of tissue papers. You can find these papers at any craft store. These are also known as kite papers. I am using pastel pink color, but you can use whichever shade you like according to your cake smash theme. Now start folding accordion style like I am showing here. Take your time on this step and make sure every fold is very crisp. Once you completed folding, then draw an arch on both ends and cut it out with pair of scissors. Now I am applying cello tape right in the center. You can also use floral wire here. Now spread its wings and gently pull off each layer towards the center. These papers are generally very delicate and thin, so be extra careful while doing this step. And this beautiful flower is ready to decorate cake smash backdrop. Now for setting the backdrop, I added some small flowers and fairy lights on top for magical look. Next DIY is how to make bunting or banners. For this, you will need a cardboard measures 5.5 by 4.25 inches. Then mark midpoint and then draw 2 lines joining corners to midpoint. Now cut out this template of banner shape. Next, I am using this super beautiful scrapbook paper by DCWV. If you don't have such papers, then you can also use plain card sheets or designer gift wrapping papers. Next, I am choosing designs that I like the most in this paper pack and then tracing the banner shape using template we created earlier. Then cut it out with pair of scissors. Repeat this process multiple times to create at least 10 to 12 banners. Next, I am using this transparent nylon thread to create my bunting. Now take a banner, then place it pretty side down and secure the thread using sellotape. Then take next banner, place it pretty side down and secure the thread using sellotape. Repeat this process until you get your desired length of bunting. Next, tie the both ends of bunting to the photography stand. And your super beautiful banner is ready. Next DIY is coin bunting. For this, you will need bunch of golden coins. Next, you will need same transparent nylon thread we used earlier. Now just thread the coins to make bunting. If your coins don't have holes, then you can also use hot glue to stick coins to thread. Continue weaving the coins until you get the desired length of your bunting. And your super shiny coin bunting is ready. Again, tie both ends of bunting to photography stand. I also tied it in the middle for some added interest. Now fourth DIY is confetti. It's a small but must-have DIY for the baby to play and grab baby's attention during photo shoot. For this, you will need paper punch of any shape. I'm using star shape here. Now start punching some golden stars. And there you have it, star-shaped confetti. Now the last DIY is cake topper. For this DIY, I made this template of number 1. Then you will need the same golden paper or any paper of your choice. Now trace and cut the shape. Next you will need one bamboo square stick. Now attach this stick to number 1 using hot glue like I'm showing here. And your cake topper is ready. Now just insert this stick on cake and you are ready to take some awesome pictures of first birthday. Just remember to remove this stick before the actual cake smash session because baby can get hurt from it. Next, add some pastel shade balloons and this simple but awesome DIY cake smash backdrop decor is ready to shoot some cute pics of your baby. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate any of this DIY, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIYWithZinny. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next videos. For more inspiration, I handpicked these 2 videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!